I came to the Cleveland Clinic because of the educational culture and environment.
This place is world class. Every surgical subspecialty is presented here. It's a great opportunity for us to learn.
As residents here, we get to practice both in the outpatient setting and the inpatient setting.
I wanted to see complex cases. I wanted to work with attendings that are well known for what they do, and I found all of those things here.
With more than 100 ACGME approved training programs, I doubt that there's a trainee anywhere who has a clinical interest that would not be satisfied by training at the Cleveland Clinic.
When you think about a residency program, one of the things you really want to do is be exposed to high complexity, high acuity cases.
We have the highest surgical volume of any program in the country. The breadth and the complexity of the cases here is really unparalleled.
It's a variety of exposures, really, a mix of inpatient and outpatient. We see a lot of international patients, a lot of patients who are coming for second, third, sometimes fourth opinions because their disease process is so rare.
Because we are a large system in Northeast Ohio and have 12 or so hospitals that are closely linked with the Cleveland Clinic, the opportunity to fluidly move between environments in the context of a single training program is how we provide exposure to both common and very uncommon problems.
I've seen very complex pathology and very good patient case mixes, so there's not something that I'm going to encounter in fellowship that I've never seen and I feel uncomfortable with. And I feel very confident that my training year has helped me do that.
Cleveland Clinic is a world-renowned institution.
The reputation of the hospital is immaculate. We're a top 5 hospital every year.
This means that you get to work along some of the best healthcare providers, clinicians, and researchers, not only nationally, but globally.
Many of us are here because we love to teach. Many of us are here because we love to do research, or some combination of all of those things. The faculty fundamentally are here aligned with the mission of education.
Every day I'm amazed by the information that not only do they know, but that they're able to share with us in a way that kind of distills down to the basics.
I get to know many internationally renowned faculty, and I get to do a lot of research with them.
We also work with consulting physicians from diverse specialties.
They're just so up to speed on the latest cutting-edge technology and cutting-edge medical research, and I think that was one of the things that really drew me here.
My favorite experience so far here has been the people I get to work alongside every day.
They're not just your colleagues, they're also your friends. You have this lifelong bond, you have this network that you form.
We've accepted trainees from 116 countries. There's talent all over the world, and the richness of that environment brings something very special.
Many of them are bringing with them partners, spouses, and their families. The House Staff Spouse Association is that link to provide them a community as well.
Cleveland has something to offer for everybody. There's so much culture, there's so much to explore, and because it's so affordable to live here, you can afford to do that on a resident income.
There's really always something to do, and we have the benefit of having a large resident body, so you always have friends to go out with.
We're training the future leaders of healthcare at the Cleveland Clinic.
You have the tools to become a researcher, a widely experienced clinician, a clinical educator, or a primary care physician. No matter what you want in your career, you have the training to be as successful as you can.
Cleveland Clinic is a name that just is always going to follow you. You have the alumni network that goes throughout the whole country.
I think at the end of some long days, you know that you've been working alongside a lot of really smart people who are there to support you.
The training is just unlike anything else. You just feel like you're a part of something really wonderful.